Hey everyone! If you're just getting into sports betting, stick around. Today we're breaking down smart strategies, easy tips to bet responsibly and maybe make some cash. Let's get into it. Betting strategy isn't just for pros, it helps you have fun and protects your wallet. A little planning helps you make smarter bets, manage your mood, and maybe turn a hobby into extra income, responsibly. The foundation? Bankroll management. Pick what you're okay losing. Set that aside, that's your bankroll. Then split it into units, usually 1 to 2% per bet. So, if you have $500, each bet is $5 to $10. If your bankroll drops, shrink your units. Grow it? You can increase gradually. Next up, value betting. This is smart betting, not emotional betting. You look for odds that are better than the chance you think the outcome really has. For example, if a team actually has a 60% shot, but the book gives plus 200 odds, suggesting only 33%, that's value. You've spotted an edge. That's how you consistently find positive EV plays. There are even zero-risk tactics if you're careful: arbitrage, or arbing, and matched betting. Arbitrage is betting both sides at different books for guaranteed profit. Watch for low juice. Matched betting uses free bet promos plus exchanges. So you're basically betting one way here, the opposite elsewhere, and win no matter what. But heads up, sportsbooks don't love these. If you do this too often, they might limit or flag your account. Understand the main bet types. Moneyline. Pick a winner outright. Super simple. Point spread, aka handicap. You bet on margin, like -3 means a team must win by 4. Over-under. Bet whether the total score hits over or under the set number. Parlays combine multiple bets for bigger payouts but are riskier. Another cool in-game option, in-play betting. It's fast and exciting, but don't overdo it. Stick to your plan. Ready for math? The Kelly Criterion helps you decide optimal bet size based on your edge. Full Kelly is aggressive. Half or quarter Kelly is safer. Pro bettors like the fractional version. It grows your bankroll while reducing big swings. Quick rookie mistakes to dodge. Chasing losses or going on tilt. Betting drunk or emotional. Ignoring unit sizing. Failing to track your bets. No budget or time limits. Bet smart, have fun, and take a break if you need it. There you go, a beginner's playbook. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment your questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.